So we're in Pennsylvania at the Bubly Sparkling Water Tube Park. We're here with Linda and her cousins, and they're tubing. I'm hanging out inside with Sydney. She wouldn't even go down the kiddie ride alone. So that's why we're here. You look silly. What about Mama? Mama can't wear the headband?
Yeah.
Why not?
Someone tried to get it.
Oh, okay. Alright, Linda, good luck. Lynn, if you can, try to take video of you going down it with your new iPhone. Try to take a video of you going down and going up the thing too if you can. Good luck. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see them right now, but that's Linda, Lena, and Linda's two cousins coming down with their tubes right now. They're exiting stage left. You guys, I'm having so much fun! I've only gone down once and I didn't get any video, but Linda's going down right now. Look at my hair! Okay, I think that's Lena. Linda. That should be Linda coming down right now. I think she's taking a video. Linda! That was so clear. Oh my god, she's going so fast! She's gonna hit Lena. God, we're like flying down. Yeah! I think I got video. Gonna go again? Lena, you gonna go again? Did you have fun? Yeah.
I'm going 2 more times.
Okay, 2 more times. Good luck. Linda! Did you have fun?
Yeah, the hand is frozen.
Ow.
From videotaping.
Yay!
Well,
Are you gonna go again?
I don't know, do you want to go?
No.
I'll go.
Sydney, say like and subscribe.